Getting started in Hub Connect 365. In this video, we're going to guide you on logging into your Hub Connect 365 account. Because you're logging in for the first time, we're also going to guide you on changing your login credentials. Use the login credentials our team has provided you, and enter them in the appropriate fields on the login page. Once you've gained access to Hub Connect 365, navigate to the white user icon in the top right corner of your screen. When you hover over the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Now select My Profile by clicking on it in the drop-down menu. Your personal profile banner will populate. This is your personal profile as you appear in the Hub Business Network. Click on the Edit button and you will be able to edit your personal profile. Here you can add your office address, phone numbers where both customers and colleagues can reach you, your email address, and an image to help your customers identify you inside the Hub Business Network. The first step to changing your login credentials is changing your email. Replace the temporary login email with your business email in the email address field. Once you have done that, navigate to the Reset Password button, then click it to reset your password. Input your new password, confirm it, then click Save. Take a quick look and confirm everything else looks good. Then click the Save icon in the bottom corner of your profile window. You're all done, congratulations. Let's explore some more of Hub Connect 365 together in the next videos.